Hey family, what's up? Welcome back to this new video presented by IQcodec. So hope you guys enjoyed the Valentine Day. So in the video of today, we're going to talking on another mode version of WhatsApp, which is one of the top 5 best mode of WhatsApp, which is OG WhatsApp. So please, actually, I'm going to start school on Monday, my second semester. So I'm going to reduce the rate of posting, but I promise you guys that I'm going to deliver you guys at least 2 videos per week. So please, if it's your first time on the channel, click on the subscribe button and hit on the notification bell so stay tuned with our latest tech videos. And please remember to check out our website at eratrick.com to actually see some of our best blog posts that we created. So in the video of today, I'm going to be talking about OG WhatsApp. We're going to be looking at some of the key features of OG WhatsApp which make it different from the other versions of WhatsApp. So we're going to go through a complete detailed view of the OG WhatsApp. So please, you can see here it is with a black color. So I'm going to provide the download link in the description for you guys that want to download the once somebody wants to contact you, he will never have the possibility to see an online status on your WhatsApp. So you will always be offline, whereas you're able to reply to messages and read messages without being online on WhatsApp. So that's actually what this last scene does. And the next thing is on the contact privacy. So contact privacy actually does it in such a way that you should send messages without receiving the blue ticks, hide second ticks, because on WhatsApp actually when you send a message, the first tick actually means that the message is sent and the second tick actually means that the message has been delivered. So you can actually decide to hide the blue stick, hide the second stick, hide the blue microphone, hide typing, hide recording. So once all this functionality is in such a way that if you're actually typing someone, you want to hide, so when you're typing, the person will not get to know if you're typing or not, or when you're recording, because actually the normal version of WhatsApp making such a way that when somebody is recording, they're going to see a status up saying that the person is actually recording an audio to send you. But once this option is activated, the hide recording, you can actually record audios without being detected that are recording an audio, or typing a message without being detected. So that's the function of the contact. So actually choose any of these 5 options. if when you see a status, you are not going to appear in the status list. Even if you reply to the status, the user is not going to see you in the status list. So he will kind of wondering that how come you are not in my status list but you are able to reply to my messages. So it is very, very cool. I advise you to go for it. Of the anti-delay status, so this is another cool functionality that is already turned on by default, because if someone actually is trying to delete his status, he will delete it on his device, but you are still going to have the status on your device without getting it deleted. So you can see delete status stories will not be deleted for you. So if the person deletes his status on his device, you are still going to get it on your mobile device. So that is it about it. Now let us move on to the security. So security is another cool functionality that allows you to either choose a fingerprint if your phone actually has a fingerprint touch, so going for the pattern to secure account, or you activate the pin. So yeah, some of the three cool functionalities to keep your WhatsApp secured. So you can see the change your password, change your pattern recovery question to set the recovery question, and disable make pattern invisible, disable pattern vibration. So that's it about the best functions of OG WhatsApp. So I would advise you to go in for this modded version because it is very, very cool. So after seeing all these modes, you're actually seeing that this version is very, very nice. So if we go next, you can see the add-on. Suggestion that we'll actually forget in the video because we don't actually know everything. So that is all about the video. Hope you guys had a great time. You guys have a nice weekend. Bye. See you in our next video. Thanks.